In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact subscription and close your account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to watch for, and how to keep a record of the cancellation for your files. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account using your usual login. If you see any verification prompts, complete those so you can access your dashboard. Starting from the main dashboard keeps everything simple, and it ensures all the right menus are available. Next, head to your settings. Look toward the top right of the screen for your profile or account menu. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Account, My Account, Billing, or something similar. Click into that area to open your account and billing settings. This is where Constant Contact keeps your plan details, payment information, and subscription controls. Inside settings, find the section that shows your plan or subscription. You might see headings like plan, subscription, billing, or plan and pricing. Open that page to view your current plan, renewal date, and payment status. Here, you're looking specifically for options related to canceling or changing your subscription. Now, choose the option that leads to cancellation. This could appear as cancel, close account, cancel subscription, or manage plan. If you only see manage plan, click that. Cancellation is often tucked behind a manage or edit link. Don't worry if the wording varies a bit. The goal is to reach the screen that lets you end your subscription. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the cancellation. You may be asked to select a reason for canceling or to confirm that you understand your access will end after the current billing period. Take a moment to read any notes about when your plan will end, whether charges stop immediately or at the end of your cycle, and what happens to your content. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. Keep clicking through until you see a final confirmation message so you know it's fully processed. Finally, save your proof of cancellation. If a confirmation message appears on the page, take a screenshot or use your browser's print to PDF option. You should also receive a confirmation email. Save that message in a safe place and consider labeling it for easy reference. If a reference or confirmation number is shown, note it down alongside the cancellation date. That's it. You signed in, opened account or billing settings, found your plan details, selected cancel or manage plan, followed the prompts, and saved the confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Constant Contact subscription with confidence.